Oh boy. So I quit my job. And for some, this may seem like a very spontaneous decision. And I mean, it kind of was. But here's why I quit my job. So for me, sometimes I need a good swift kick in the rear end in order to go do something, like start a business or start a YouTube channel. It took me 2 years of thinking and actually studying up on how to start a YouTube channel before I actually ever even did it. So I knew that starting a business would be so much more scary than starting a YouTube channel. So essentially, I just gave myself that swift kick in the rear end, so to speak, because I didn't want to wait around another 2 years before I started doing something that I absolutely love. Don't be afraid to be a quitter. Be willing to quit when you realize you're in the wrong place. I realized that I am no longer passionate about my current job. I am way more passionate about becoming a professional organizer and working on my YouTube channel than I am about my current 9-to-5 job. My interests are changing, and that is totally okay. So I have decided to totally shift gears in my career, and that is okay. It's exciting, it's different, and I'm gonna just roll with the punches here. So I've been wanting to start a professional organizing business for quite a few months, but I didn't have enough time to take on more clients. And I wanted to continue building this YouTube channel. And now I will have plenty of time to make all of my dreams happen. I just swallowed a bug. Let's try that again. I am so looking forward to building up my organizing business. If you are interested in having me as your professional organizer, please reach out. I would love to take some time and talk to you about our future partnership. And you can expect some great content coming to this YouTube channel. I will be obviously working on organizing projects and tips and tricks of what you can do in your home, as well as room makeovers, DIYs, and the like. So if that sounds very interesting to you, please like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment down below as to what type of videos you are excited to see on this channel. Bye! What am I talking about?